Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Vishal Sharma, Associate Professor, Postgraduate, Government College for Girls, Sector 11, Chandigarh. So I am nominated as Distinguished Scientist 2021 in ASDF Award, right? So today I just want to introduce myself. I am Dr. Vishal. I am working in this college, and I am just 25th stroke of the year which I am working in the research field. And because of my 25th years, I have three specializations in which I work. First is the plant tissue culture, that is the conservation of orchids, and the second is the post-harvest handling, and third is basically the solid waste management, the global problem which we are facing. So this basically we have the all best maintained campus for the last 2 years in the 47th and 48th Rose Festival, and this all beautiful maintained campus is only due to the management of solid waste which I did through the windrow composting. So as we are the bulk generators, and we generate around 130 kg of solid waste management, and I am just converting that through the windrow composting into the organic compost, and that organic compost is used in these pots. And by these using in these pots, we have the flowers which are of good texture and big size. And I already told you that we have won the consecutively 2 years 47th and 48th Rose Festival Best Maintained Campus. So recently, because of my work in the solid waste management, I was awarded by the United Nations, that is United Nations Sustainability Development Goal, that is UN SDG 2021, alongside with the Sonu Sood. So for that, United Nations has recognized the work we did on solid waste during the COVID period. And these are the all flowers we have in because of the solid waste, because as our college is a bulk generator, and we are using that solid waste in our compost and making the college fully organic. So these best maintained campus and conservation of orchids. And the conservation of orchids, I did work for 25 years. And for that, I have done a lot of works, and I have 12 Scopus paper in a year. And besides these awards, I have also the semi-finalist in the Scotch, 66th Scotch, a Smear Kocher Scotch Award, in which it is the first college in the Indian history, alongside with me in individual category of I am been nominated in the semi-finalist Merit Scotch Award. And beside these two awards and the regional awards, I am nominated to a lot of the awards like ICR, IRI awards, and then we have the Tropical Society of India, and also the basic scientist awards like I have nominated by the RULA, that is the Malaysian Organization Award. So these are the work I did, and I am pioneering in solid waste management, and because of that, I already told you that I was awarded by the United Nations recently. And now, in next step, we are moving towards the production of the biogas using this solid waste. So this is my brief introduction, and I am thankful to ASDS for nominating me for the award and giving me opportunity to share the platform with you all and share my work. Thank you very much. Good day.